Welcome, in front of me is the RUGGEAR RG655 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this phone. So to get started we will need one of these things. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. And once you have that, I'm going to pop out the tray, which I believe is right somewhere here. Nope, that is not it. That's also not it. Oh, there it is. So it looks like we might not need this. Nope, never mind, we do need it. So once you pop out that little rubber piece, we do have a tray, which we do need this for, as you can see right in here. Push it in, the tray just kind of pops out. And from here you have space for two different SIM cards, or one SIM card and one SD card. Now if you're planning to use two SIM cards, you would place one of them right on the SD tray like this. But because I'm using one of each, let's just move it to the side, drop this over, come on, over here, there we go, and then insert it back into the device. Now we do want to hold it firmly in there. There's nothing really holding those cards on the tray, so they might just pop out. So be careful when inserting it in. And there we go. So it looks like that's all the way in there. And the screen would actually confirm this. So as you can see, there's the enter pin for the SIM card. So obviously the SIM card is working. Nope. And SD card is working as well, which you can see right here. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD into this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.